I'm Zahari Osman from Math Education Management. I'm a researcher and also a consultant in a field of mathematics education called problem solving. In other words, my specialization is in problem solving, right? Saya Zahari Osman daripada Math Education Management. Saya seorang penyelidik dan juga perunding dalam bidang pendidikan mathematics, khususnya dalam bidang problem solving. Alright, today I'm going to explain to you on fraction. I found that many students fail to understand the concept of fraction. Hari ini saya akan terangkan tentang pecahan kerana saya dapati ramai pelajar yang tak memahami konsep fraction. I would like you to get involved in this program, actively involved. Because I'm going to encourage you to think mathematically. Saya ingin melibatkan semua pelajar dalam program ini dengan berfikir secara matematik. So my approach in this subject is to let you think mathematically. Pendekatan saya adalah lebih kepada kamu berfikir untuk memahami mata pelajaran ini ataupun tajuk ini. Okay. Anybody can tell me what is the use of fraction in everyday life? Siapa yang boleh bagi tahu saya apakah kegunaan pecahan dalam kehidupan harian? Anybody? Ya, yang di tengah tu. Apakah kegunaan pecahan? Yang di depan tu. Okey, apa kata yang di belakang? Okey, apa kata bincang sedikit? Saya bagi beberapa saat untuk memikirkan dan juga berbincang dengan kawan. Alright. Have you thought of something about fraction? The application of fraction in everyday life. Adakah kamu telah memikirkan apakah kegunaan pecahan dalam harian, kehidupan harian? Okay, what do you think of if you ask your parent or your father how much of his salary is spent on food? Apa kata kalau kamu tanya bapa kamu, berapakah banyak yang digunakan, berapakah wang yang digunakan untuk makanan, misalnya sebulan kan? And if you know the amount of money spent on food, then you calculate the fraction of money spent on food to the total salary of your father. Jika kamu dapat tahu berapa banyak yang digunakan oleh bapa kamu setiap bulan untuk makanan untuk kamu lah, satu family kamu boleh kirakan berapakah pecahan gaji bapa kamu kepada keseluruhan gajinya. Berapakah pecahan yang digunakan untuk makanan dibandingkan dengan seluruh gajinya. Okay, then you can get the fraction there. That is one application of fraction. What else? How about the speed of the car? It is also expressed in the form of fraction. Kelajuan kereta dinyatakan dalam bentuk pecahan. How is it? Of course, like if your parent or your mother or your father is driving a car, you can see the speed of the car, and perhaps if you see 120 kilometers per hour, that means it is a fraction. 120 kilometers per hour is a fraction. 120 kilometers per hour is a fraction, or 120 miles per hour is also a fraction. Okay. Then you talk about petrol. Maybe how many gallons, how many miles per gallon your for this car use. Jadi 120 km per jam adalah dalam bentuk pecahan. Per berarti 120 km per 1 jam, 1 hour. Ataupun dalam bahasa Melayunya 120 km per 1 jam. Itu maksudnya 120 km per hour ataupun 120 km per jam. Alright, what else? Can you tell me? The application of fraction in everyday life. Dalam membayar cukai, tanya bapak kamu atau mak kamu, berapakah yang digunakan untuk, berapakah gaji bulanannya, atau dalam setahun berapa dia bayar untuk cukai pendapatan. You can ask your parents how much they spend on taxation, right? How much of their salary is being taxed. That is also fraction. What else? You see your mother cooking? Yes? This way, where is the fraction there? Right. When your mother cook, she will apply fraction because she has to use the ingredients. For example, to make curry, right? So there is certain amount of ingredient, half a cup, half a spoon of something, or full spoon of, or half a spoon of some ingredient, and all those things are fractions that I had mentioned. Misalnya kalau mak kamu menggunakan separuh sudu besar dan separuh sudu kecil dalam menyediakan sesuatu makanan seperti kari dan sebagainya ataupun sayuran dan sebagainya, Alright, there is some of the examples of uses of fractions, right? Itu adalah beberapa contoh aplikasi dan guna ataupun kegunaan pecahan dalam kehidupan harian, dan banyak lagi contoh, dan saya harap kamu boleh berbincang dengan kawan, mencari from internet untuk list down, untuk mendapatkan beberapa lagi aplikasinya. Misalnya seorang kemis juga menggunakan pecahan bila menyediakan larutan-larutan tertentu, dan banyak lagi lah yang perlu kamu fikirkan untuk menambahkan lagi ilmu kamu dalam pecahan. Can be that one can be taken as done as part of your assignment. Kamu boleh buat itu sebagai salah satu kerja untuk menambahkan lagi perspektif kamu tentang pecahan. Alright. Of course, kamu telah banyak dalam kehidupan kamu. Have you seen this? Right? Alright, you see, this is what time. What is the time here? Shown from the diagram, from the clock, Yes, everybody know that. Everybody seems to know that this is 12:05 minutes, right? Or 5 minutes past 12. Kalau kamu lihat di sini jam menunjukkan 12:05 minit, Sini 12:15 or 12:45. past 12. 12:15. Ya? Ataupun 12:10 ya. Right. Okay. What about this? 12:30, right? And or dalam bahasa Melayunya 12:30. Adakah kamu nampak pecahan? Have you seen any fraction here? You notice any fraction here that we can talk of? Have you seen any here? Adakah kamu nampak pecahan dalam bentuk apa saja yang kamu nampak? Fikir ya. Alright. How many parts of the times you see here? Ya, yang tengah tu. How many parts? Alright, this is one part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 parts. Alright, the time is divided into 12 parts, but this is 12 minutes. How do you express 12 minutes? Waktunya dibagi pada 12 bahagian dan jamnya menunjukkan 12:05. Berapakah pecahan yang boleh kita tulis ini? Okey, bagus. Right? Ini ialah 1/12. This is 1/12, right? So the one part has gone. One part of the time has gone. Satu bahagian daripada masa telah pun berlalu. Ya. Tetapi ini is here. What do you think? How many parts? 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. So 3/? Good. 3/12. How about this? Ya, ini 3/12 sebab 3 bahagian lah daripada masa yang telah berlalu. And what about this? Right, this is already 6 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can see this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, right? So 6/12. You see? If only you care to think, then you will get a lot of information, right? Kalaulah kamu berfikir, tentulah kamu dapat banyak maklumat. That is the idea of thinking. Itulah sebabnya kita berfikir. Manusia, a person who thinks mathematically, a person who thinks mathematically is a person who will first get more information and also meaningful information. Orang yang berfikir secara matematik ini akan mendapat bukan saja lebih banyak maklumat, tetapi maklumat yang bermakna kepadanya. Okay, now this one you see the clock or the times in 12 parts. Can you see the clock in different portion? Ini kalau kita lihat kepada 12 bahagian, kalau kita bagi 12 bahagian, bolehkah kamu lihat masa itu dalam bentuk bahagian-bahagian lain? Tak semestinya 12 bahagian. Doesn't mean that the total part is 12. You can also see the total parts of the time less than 12. What do you think? Anybody can tell me? Yang di depan tu, yang belakang dia tu. Right, so if you divide to, how about you divide, this is one part, from here to here one part, from here to here another part, and from here to here another part, and from here to here another part. So altogether how many parts? Everybody, louder. Berapa semua? Ya, ada 4 bahagian. So I can express this one as 1 part, 2 parts, another part, 3 parts, and 4 parts. So I can express that instead of 3/12, I can express that in the form of what? Yes, 1/4. Alright. How about this? Instead of expressing the total parts of the time here is 12, then I can express it in how many parts? Anybody can tell me? Alright, into 2 parts. From here, 1 part, and from here to here, 1 part. If only you can divide this line into 2 parts. This one I divide the time into 4 parts. Okay? Can you see that? Okay. Now, so if it is 2 parts, then I have already, you see that the time has already passed. How many parts? Kalau kita bagi menjadi 2 bahagian, masa telah berlalu. Berapa bahagian dah? Ini 1 bahagian, ini 1 bahagian. Jadi masa telah berlalu sebanyak 1 bahagian. 1 out of what? Everybody, say out, say loud. Yes, 1/2. Okay. So it depends on how many parts you seems to view, to view the time. Tergantung pada beberapa bahagian yang kamu ingin lihat masanya. So, alright. Now, you see 3/12 and 1/4, and 6/12 and 1/2. Are they the same? Do they have the same value? Yes. What about 3/12? Yeah? Let's take 3/12 and 1/4. Okay. I know you have been doing a lot of fractions, a lot of calculation. Saya tahu kamu buat banyak mathematics, ya? A lot of fraction, banyak fraction, pecahan. Dan kamu telah belajar. You learn how to simplify the fraction, right? Can you simplify further? Alright, how do you do it? You can divide this by 3, you get 1. 12 divided by 3, you get 4. So 3/12 equals to 1/4. So, can we say 3/12 equals to 1/4? Of course, right? And because they are equal, they are called equivalent fraction. Right? Okay. How about looking at 6/12 and 1/2? Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. You cancel this by 6, you get 1, 12 divided by 6, you get 2. So 1 over 2. Same thing. 6 over 12. You cancel off. 6 divided by 6. You get 1. 12 divided by 6, you get 2. And 1 over 2. So you can say that 1 over 6 equals, 6 over 12 equals to 1 over 2. Are they equal? Right. Because they are equal, they are also called equivalent fractions. Okay. Alright, let's go further. You see the diagram here? And also you can find this diagram in your handouts, right? Okay. A fraction is part of a whole. Pecahan ini adalah sebahagian daripada keseluruhan sesuatu benda, ya. Kawasan, ya, misalnya sini, dan permukaan dan objek, dan banyak objek lagi, lain-lain objek. Okay, this one, the whole thing is one. Okay, the whole thing semua sekali ini adalah satu, kan? What is a fraction here? Okay, write down the fraction here. Right, this is 1 over 2. Or you can write this side, 1 over 2. So you can shade this part, okay? Shade this part as 1 over 2. What is the meaning of 1 over 2? It means that one part out of two parts. It's one part and another part, two parts. Apa makna 1 per 2? 1 per 2 maknanya satu bahagian daripada dua bahagian yang kita telah bahagikan. Kita telah bahagikan kepada dua bahagian. Rajah ini, ya. Right. How about this? Can you write down? It's given in your handouts. What is it? Okay. This is 1 over 4. I mean here, it's 1 over 4. Right. It can be also here. It can also be here, 1 over 4. One part of it. It means that 1 out of 4 parts. This the smallest part here is called 1 over 4. Bahagian terkecil sini daripada 4 bahagian, 1, 2, 3, 4, dikatakan 1 per 4. How about this one? This one is 1 over what? 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 over 8. This is 1 over 8, right? So this part, the smallest part here, is called 1. Is represented by 1 over 8. Ya? Bahagian kecil ni, sebab dia ada semua ada 8 bahagian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Okay, kalau siapa-siapa yang masih tak faham dan confused mungkin dalam bahasa Inggeris saya boleh explain balik. Angkat tangan dan saya akan explain balik atau minta pertolongan cikgu dan facilitator. Tetapi saya dah cakap dalam dua bahasa, satu bahasa Inggeris, satu bahasa Melayu. Okay, can you just do it yourself. Just spend some time. Tell what is the smallest fraction here, and give me what is the smallest fraction here, and also this one, the smallest fraction. Okay. Take out. And also the smallest fraction here. Okay, do it now. Give time to fill up. And also the smallest fraction here. Try.